Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we are going to make Penny and I some brunch. But we're going to have a new twist on an old favorite. We're going to make a fried bologna sandwich, but we got a little twist of it. So without further ado, let's get to it, because you guys are really going to like this if you try it. Few ingredients. Okay. And this is my significant other. She happens to like nice white soft bread. I like it on toast. Here I have the dipping sauce that I use for my fried green tomatoes. Okay, we'll put the episode link down below so you guys can see that if you want to try to make those. They're really good. Just made some the other day. I actually made a couple batches. Anyway, Penny fried up the bologna. So here we have fried bologna and our fried green tomatoes I made. We're going to make a sandwich out of that. It is out of this world, okay? So anyway, then we have over here some jalapeno mustard. Penny likes that. Got some cheese. You can put any kind of cheese you want on it. This happens to be, believe it or not, the last of the sliced cheese we have in this here house, which is unusual. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, my toast actually popped. Watch, we'll probably run out of this mustard too. Oh, blew out the top of the jar, right? Say something for the little woman. Okay, let me get my knife. Whoa, watch out. Oh. Anyway, you can do this any way you like. We like doing it where the mustard goes, then the bologna goes on top of that. Well, I'll show you. Don't worry about it. Very good sandwich, though, easy to make. That is if you like fried bologna. People that like fried bologna, they'll love this sandwich, I'm telling you. You know. Now these fried green tomatoes, we're going to use that to pick up, we're going to pick them up with a spatula because they might break apart. Because we heated this stuff up in the microwave, and I'm telling you, you guys are going to love it. So, that's your cheese. Let me get one of these here. Put it right there. Look at that. Just like a regular fried bologna sandwich, except we're putting the accoutrement of fried green tomatoes. So, putting a little bit of salt and pepper on here. Then we're going to take a little bit of our... Now this sauce I'm using, this will be on the link that if you look up the fried green tomatoes and other recipes. I use this in a lot of stuff. It's basically mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard. I got some horseradish in there. Sometimes I put pickle relish in here. Dill pickle relish, not sweet. I don't like sweet. That doesn't matter. Okay, so you see, this is a quick, easy sandwich. And if you made a batch of everything, you can have a bunch of sandwiches. Okay, so let me try to cut this in half. And there you have it. Another version of a fried bologna sandwich. So you can see it looks good in there, don't it? All right, we'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, this is Mr. Dan here at Taste Test Table. Camera girl's eating her soft bread sandwich. I and Elmo are going to enjoy ours on toast. So, tell me that don't look really good. Look at that sandwich. Whew. Okay, time to take a taste test. Mm. 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 The fried green tomatoes bumps it up another notch. You know, you guys have our bologna sandwiches, you put tomato on it. This just cracks it up another notch. Okay. If you like our quick little brunchy video, give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, co-workers. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscribe button. And when you do that, a little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, that'll notify you each and every time we come up with another video. There's an arrow down button right below the video box on the right hand side. You hit that. You'll get a drop down box. That'll give you a link to Cook on Mrs. Dan's Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site page, complete list of ingredients that we put this delicious brunchy sandwich together. And I'll give you guys a link to fried bologna sandwich we made months back, and the link to the fried green tomatoes. And on that we'll have the recipe to make my special sauce. So, until next time, my friends, stay hungry. When you are, come back and we will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying, stay out of COVID's way, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.